Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update, and then tap on System Navigation. Here, before we'll set the gestures, as you can see, you can customize the buttons. So if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option, you can reorder the back button and the recents. So all we have to do is to tap on the gestures. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. Of course you can do it, I don't want to. Moreover, I will explain you how the gestures work. Here, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line. Of course you can hide it and customize the gestures here. Sensitivity to back gesture, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like that. And if you can see the arrow, simply release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this gesture is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.